Howdy folks, and welcome back to the Dieselbird channel. Okay guys, we've got our right fork leg all drained out. What we did to measure the fluid level is we took our measuring cup here from inside the house and filled it up with water to 330 milliliters approximately. And then we dumped the water into this plastic container here and then dumped the water back out after making this mark line. It's going to be this black line right here. Take our belray fork oil, fill it up to the line indicated in the cup there. We're going to take our little yellow funnel here going to very carefully dump this fluid in. And there you have it guys. That's about all there is to changing the fork oil on the TT250 forks. From here you just reinstall the cap, torque it down, reinstall the fork on the bike, do the same with the other fork, and then from there adjust your dampening screws here up on the top. So right now we're going to go ahead and reinstall this, and just to save time we're not going to show the footage of doing the other fork because it's the same procedure as this one. Alrighty guys, we got everything put back together here on the TT250. Unfortunately we had a little bit of a setback. This bolt right here is this top lower triple clamp bolt here. I was just tightening it down to torque specs. I had the torque wrench set exactly what the specs are on the website, and the bolt just snapped off. You guys can see there, it's just completely broken off. The other end's in the trash now, and it was not easy extracting it either. But I was able to find a bolt of similar length and the same threads that fit in there nicely. And then the same thing also happened up here on the top triple tree bolt. But instead of breaking the bolt off, it started to strip the threads out inside of the triple tree clamp itself. So I again found a longer bolt with the same threads that was able to fit from my old Chevy, and luckily they both worked out and everything was able to get tightened up the way it should be. So far, the only issues I've had with this CSE TT250 are the cheap Chinese fasteners that they use for them, as evident right here. But other than that, I gotta say, this bike has been wonderful to me. If only they could have used better quality bolts, but maybe that's something for them to take into consideration for the future. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We're gonna do another video in the future where we review the top speed of the rear sprocket, and we're also gonna do some off-roading so we can see how the fork oil is working out for us. But thank you guys for watching this video on the TT250, and we will see you next time.